Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. It is chilly where we are, and even though I don't go out a whole lot, I am always cold. So one thing that I really needed this winter was some good gloves that weren't too bulky. I have really small hands, and I got the size small in these SIMARI gloves, and they are so perfect. I love that I am still able to use my phone while wearing them. It is super easy. I can type on my iPad so great. So even if it's chilly, I'm still able to use my phone. These are nice and thin and they fit my small hands perfectly while still allowing me to do things that I would do without gloves on, which is super handy. If you're looking for some new gloves and you would still like to be able to use your hands like normal without gloves, I highly recommend these ones from SIMARI. They are so comfortable and they fit so well. I love them, you will too, and that's my point of view.